All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. We got the crypto market breaking down a little bit right here, so we're gonna go ahead and touch base on that. I wasn't gonna do a show tonight, but of course, you know, guys, I love y'all. I'm gonna come on when the market's doing bad, whether the market's doing good. I'm gonna be on. So, what's happening tonight? 36,625 off Bitcoin. Webull reporting down 1%. We all know it's a little bit more than that. So we're at that 36,000 level that we talked about last night. And where do we go from here? Is there more downside? I do think so, guys. So if I'm looking to dollar cost average or looking to buy anything right now, I'm kind of holding off for the short term right here because we are trying to hold support at $36,468 right here off of Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens. Dogecoin coming in at 1262, super cheap. Shiba Inu 2343. We'll have to see what happens there. You know, Ethereum breaking down 2,500. We got Russia. Russia's moving in peacekeepers into eastern Ukraine, possibly attacking the market right here. We talked about this in the past couple weeks that, you know, any type of invasion, troops moving in, any type of scenario, this is what this would lead to. So you're seeing the direct effects about what we were talking about. So hopefully that kind of calms you down. Look, we may see a little bit more downside, but I do think that it will pop back up. We just have to be patient here. What's up, new folk? Good to see you in the chat, man. Really good to see you. If y'all could, if you just tune in, please hit that like button. And if you're brand new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button for us. We greatly appreciate it. Hello, Old Raven Farm. How are you doing tonight? Hopefully your crypto portfolio is not looking too terrible. Mine is. Look, ADA's 82 cents, like mind blown. Boom, 82 cents. I bought ADA last February, back when it was 98 cents. And I'm down on that, man. Like, what is going on? So we got a lot to touch base on in a short amount of time. So I'm going to be posting a few little things tonight, and then I'm hopping off. I got to work on the Shiba AMA, which is coming up tomorrow. So guys, if you want, please check us out on Twitter. Come tune in, 222. It begins at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so come check us out. What's up, Meta Zach? Hey, Matt, I'm so down on Doge, man. I'm down quite a bit on a lot of my stuff right now, man. Do not feel bad. Do not feel alone. We're here for you, man. You already know. It's looking like crap, to be honest. Well, look, Old Raven, I don't know if you're around, but we kind of talked about the Russian fear, when this stuff something would pop off. Well, we got the news today that Russia's moving so-called peacekeepers into the country, so that's not a good sign right there. So that's why you're seeing the market directly affected right here. We are seeing Bitcoin test a level of support at 36.5 right here. We are trying to hold this thing. If we cannot hold it, we're going to see a pretty good breakdown, possibly a pretty good flash crash all the way to 35.7. So what's going to happen? I don't know. But what I can tell you is I did not sell my ADA, did not sell my Doge, 1253. It will pop back up. But yeah, it's looking like crap right here. 12 cents right here off of Dogecoin. I don't know what else to say. It looks bad in the market right here. FTM's back to 148. I'm so glad I sold at 280. I really am. XRP back to 68 cents. We saw that report yesterday about the whale buying up, you know, the most XRP that's been bought up in the, you know, only twice in history. So to see XRP dropping like it is, that's crazy. Matic, we talked about 140. We're seeing 135. So now is a patient time to be just sitting back. If you're looking to average in, I would kind of wait. I do think we're going to probably see some around 33 to 31K off of Bitcoin. So we'll have to see. What's up, One Shot GT? Hey, Matt, what's up, bro? Good to see you in the chat, man. By the way, I know the market's down, but nonetheless, good to see you in here. Look at NIF coin. Crazy. It's an NFT coin. I think drop 15-minute chart still moving up. Yeah, let's check it out real quick, man. I need something moving, man. It's looking bad out here. What's up, Miss Lady Key? How you doing? Good to see you in the chat tonight. Let me pull this up real quick, and I'll take a quick peek at it for my boy One Shot right here. Look at NIF coin. Let's take a look. NIF coin. I don't know if it's on TradingView, man. I might have to pull this up off of CoinMarketCap. I'm not seeing it. Give me 1 second. Unified price. Okay, yeah. Okay, we got a mover today. Just launched, $11.25, 30.75% up on the day. Yeah, it's hard to argue. Let's see this thing. 7 days. Was trading at $8 before we shot up right to where we are. Was at 25. Was that launch? Let's see. This thing was $59, man, and took a massive spike back up. Interesting, man. I don't know what this is. You're saying it's the live unified price today. Services include a collection of contracts of pre-made dApps like ER 1155 collection creation, farms, pre-sale, auctions, NFT swapping, and more. I'll tell you what, brother, I'm gonna look deep into this. That thing is up 30%, while everything else is taking a dump. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna look at it. Appreciate you dropping that that knowledge, man. Meta Zach says I have no choice but to hold. I feel you, Zach, man. Look, I just told everybody I bought ADA over a year ago at 98 cents, and it ripped to 3, and now it's at 81 cents. Like, it's, yeah, I'm in the same boat off a few cryptos, man. I feel you. And here we go. We got Bitcoin breaking down a little bit below 36.5. We're trying to pop up right here, but we're still in a steady downtrend. Look, this is directly affected with what's going on with Russia and Ukraine right now. There's nothing you can do about it. Look, the fact of the matter is, if something blows up even more than what it already is, and the potential is really, really real right now, you could potentially see a lot more downside in the market in the coming days and maybe the next coming weeks. So as of right now, I'm entering that bearish territory. 36,000. We done broke down pretty far. To say I'm selling, no, I'm not. I'm going to continue to add, but it's not looking good. And I'm going to keep it real with you every single night I come on. I'm not just hype, man. The market's looking like complete dog shit right now. We got ADA. I can't even fathom 81 cents again, but we're seeing it right now. OpenSea getting sued. It doesn't surprise me, OMG, in the least bit. What's up, Just Bum? How you doing? Just hold, wait it out. It's an NFT coin. Hey, you know what? One shot. That's what I like to do, man. When I'm feeling down about everything, dude, I take a step back and go for a walk. Forget about your portfolios, man. Crypto's gonna do what it does. We're just seeing a direct effect of what's going on, and it really does suck. So I'm gonna pull up some articles right here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pull this up. One second. Okay, cool. Got that squared away. All right, guys, if you could just smash that like button for your boy, I'd greatly appreciate it. So Bitcoin's trying to pop back here above 36.5. That's a pretty major level of support right here. Other than that, we got 35.7 on the way down. Let's kind of pull up Dogecoin, check out what's going on right here. I'm not really worried about the upside. I'm worried about where we're going to end up on the downside, especially if the fear continues to resonate through the market like we're seeing. But the same thing right here, we're sitting on support at 12.50 right here. If we can't hold that, we're going to see 12 cents pretty quickly. There's not much holding us up right here. From zooming far back, because we took such a big rip up from that last time. See, I can't even see anything right here. I'd have to go way back here, and this is the only levels that we got. This little bunched up area right here. Let me zoom on in. Let me try to get this to where y'all can see this. This is that 12-cent range right here. If we can't hold that 11.50, man, 11.50. If we break below that, the next support is 9 cents. So have that in mind for your Dogecoin. If you can't hold that 11.50 range, and it's a possibility. Look how far we've come down. So just be on the lookout. I don't think it's going to last long, but we're just depending on what happens to the fear in Russia and Ukraine that's happening right now in the market. So. Dogecoin right now, let me get back to the 30-minute chart. That way I can zoom back over here. 30-minute chart, straight drop off. And you can tell that's the news from Russia. We tried to consolidate, hit a double bottom, fell out. We're bouncing off support right here. So I expect some type of consolidation. That's what we're kind of looking for. I want to see consolidation right here. And then maybe try to have a little reversal heading back up to 13.50. But I think 13.50 is going to be a top for the short term. especially leading into tomorrow to see what actually happens with Russia and Ukraine. So we'll have to see. Open oil prices going to be going up. Yes, so like Exxon. What's Exxon? Shut, I forgot the. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Exxon Mobil. Let's just see what it's doing. Yeah, it was down a little bit, up a little bit in aftermarket hours, but not really moving much. So we'll keep our eye on it. All right, let's go to Shiba Inu. I got the Shiba AMA tomorrow, guys. Twitter, 222, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to come check us out. We got a lot of information going to be dropping. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. There's my Twitter account. It just dropped by Streamlabs. So if you're not following me, hit me up. I will definitely drop you a follow back, and we can stay in touch on Twitter, too. I'm pretty active. So right now we're breaking down off of Shiba. Next level of support is 2195. And there's a real possibility that you could possibly see that heading into tomorrow. I do think you'll probably hit that 2195 and consolidate, but we do run the risk of having a pretty good little sell-off heading into the rest of the night, and which would suck, man. You know, we could start seeing some much lower numbers. I'm talking Bitcoin 33 to 31. So it kind of just want to prepare you for that. If you kind of know something's coming, you know, you don't really make drastic reactions off of that news. You know what I'm saying? Once you see it, so. It can come fast, it can come quick. I do think we'll see a nice little pop-up off of it. So I do have some side liquidity that I'm looking to add into the market as soon as we do feel like we hit bottom. I'm going to be, you know, offloading quite a bit. So we'll just have to see what happens here in the next, you know, I would have to say next 48 hours are crucial to see what's going to happen. This is where we start having fun. It's time to be excited. Yeah, look, buying opportunities. That's what we're looking at. Buying opportunities across the market. This is the time in the market where you're going to want to look to enter any position. That's as long as it's a great play. So yes, it is getting exciting. It sucks that everybody's down. I know it's not exciting, but guys, you got to have that long-term mentality to know that, hey, look, everything's going to be fine. Crypto will be back. This thing will, you will see these moonshots again like we were seeing in the beginning of last year. It might just take a little while to play out, but you have the time. That's one of the most valuable currencies on this planet. You have time, and that's time to invest and get your bags correct before this next pump. We all seen what crypto is capable of by what happened in the beginning of 2021. So hopefully y'all see that. I do, and I'm investing accordingly. What's up, NS? Psycho Pearl crazy market today. Absolutely, man. Absolutely insane. Bitcoin is starting to bounce right here, so that is good news. BTC. One Shot did drop a play on us that's up 30% today. I need to look into it. NIF coin. So I will be looking into that, try to figure out what the heck is going on right there. I don't have any. Hope you got some One Shot. That thing is doing a pretty nice moonshot. 30% one day on a day like today. That's incredible, man. That is absolutely incredible. So I'll continue to watch that too as well. You want to kind of monitor any of those big movers that you're seeing in the market, especially on a day like this. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing real quick off the 1 minute. So starting to get some bounce off that level of support, but we did bounce off at 36.81 and kind of hitting that double top. So I think if we get rejected here, we'll probably end up heading lower off the next 5-10 minutes, you know, coming pretty quickly, guys. So we'll have to see what happens, but nothing about the Bitcoin chart looks bullish right now. I can't even bullshit, you know, I'm not even gonna try to bullshit anybody. This looks bad. This looks really bad. We're probably gonna see 35.7 tomorrow, and then maybe potentially, you know, break down all the way to 33,000. That's kind of my buying zone that I'm looking to start adding some more, and then ultimately 32,000 flat is your next super major level of support on the downside after that. So what we got? Ethereum's looking bad, guys. 25. I mean, it's looking good overall over the past couple of years, but man, in the short term, Ethereum's getting pounded along with the rest of the market, man. You know, just steady decline from that 27. That was the you know, in February. I think it went a little bit higher. No, we kind of double topped at 27.60. Yeah, pretty close. 27.60 right here, double top, and now we've been in a downtrend ever since, setting lower highs and lower lows. So right now, 25. 25 flat is going to be some fucking major support that you do not want to break underneath, because we're going to fall pretty quickly. We're kind of running that risk of seeing a little crypto flash crash. You know, the bears are going to take full control of this. That's what you have to understand. The bears out here shorting the fuck out the market, and they don't give a damn if the bulls are buying it up. They're shorting it more than what they can. And you might have some guys, some you know, big players in the game. They're like, let's just not fight the tide, man. Let's short it too. And, you know, you might get some people that don't normally short the crypto market jumping on board right now, kind of shorting everything. So I know me personally, like if I was short, I don't short, but if I would, this would be the time to do it when you have massive, you know, military engagement happening in another country. Anytime you see that, it's going to be short term, affecting your market, affecting everything. So what could be the key light to bring us out of all this, guys? To be 100% real with you, could be the Bitcoin spot ETF. It's enough time gap between now and by the time the vote comes to you know, let things play itself out in Russia, and possibly take us on another roller coaster ride on the way back up. Yeah, OMG, One Shot GT just dropped NIF. It's up 30%. It's looking great. Something to do with NFTs. I don't know what it is, but I will do the research and find out why this thing's up 30% when the rest of the market's down what feels like 30%. So it really does suck right now. Huge buy order on BTC at 24K. Hey, look, if we see 24K, I mean, it's possible. Now, we hit 26 back in, you know, May of last year, and then we hit 29 on the way after that. I'm kind of hoping 30 is complete bottom, dude. I'm hoping. That's the key word, hopium. You know, call it hopium, whatever you want. I'm kind of hoping that we see that 30,000 flat bounce, and we off, you know, maybe with the news of Bitcoin spot ETF. But we do have a lot more variables, a lot more FUD happening in the market that we didn't have before. So we'll have to see what happens here. I just dropped my phone, sorry. We'll have to see what happens here in the short term, guys. People on here don't have the money to day trade or swing trade a coin. Hold and wait it out, or get a stop loss, wait and sell and rebuy back in later, add to your position. Look, that's perfectly fine. If that's what y'all, that is a good strategy. You know, look, there might be potential for a lot more downside right here. I just want to keep it real with you. You know, I got to be careful what I say, but I do feel like Bitcoin's going to drop below a lot of these levels right here. Probably start seeing 30,000 flat. That's where I think it's going, and that's $6,000 difference from the price where we're currently at. So just be prepared for that, and you know, you might be able to buy in a little bit cheaper. So just keep that in mind too, if that's something you're looking to do. But let me see. But my boy One Shot GT comes in hot with a $20 make you holla super sticker. You are amazing. You are amazing, my friend. Thank you very much, One Shot GT, for showing that love and support, man. Really good to see you, man. Thank you very much for that $20 super sticker, my friend. Truly, man. Thank you for dropping that NIF too. I'm gonna look into it and see what the hell's going on with it, because it's got me interested now. I want to know what the hell is going on with NIF. Why is it up 30%? I do not know, but now I want to know. And you know, I got a lot of stuff that's going on tonight, so I got to finish preparing for the Shiba AMA, which is going to be absolutely crazy, guys. You're not going to want to miss this. We got a lot of special guest speakers. They're going to have William Volk, one of the creators of, you know, the founders of Activision. They're going to be there. So it's going to be a really cool show. So I hope y'all can tune in on Twitter. Yeah, I hear you, Saul. So, actually, you can, man. I personally can. So I'm hoping for 30K, and that's when I'm gonna start, you know, investing. I'm using technical analysis to base off of when I'm gonna really start dumping my dollar cost average in. So that's what I mean by that, man. Just Bum coming in hot with a $5 make you holla super chat. Just buy more. Thank you, Just Bum. Absolutely, man. I will be adding to my position here shortly. I'm going to let everybody know in the Discord. To be quite honest, I wasn't even planning on coming on tonight, but, you know, the state of the market, I didn't want y'all to feel like I didn't care. You know, I'm here. I'm seeing the charts. I'm watching everything. If you guys need to vent, need to talk, just hit me up in Discord. You know I'm here for you. When the Fed moves with printed over the years from the market and we're so S-Hall is kind of feeling like we're probably going to wait until the next halving to have a pretty good rip. Which, look, man, you got your personal opinion. I respect that. I kind of think we'll see a little bit different scenario play out. This year might be bad for crypto. I'll give you that. Look, it might be a bad year for crypto, but when the market's down, when the market's doing bad, that's the time you want to invest. This is the time period where you want to load the boat. See, my point in starting a crypto YouTube channel is to educate. This is the best time to be adding to your position. Don't just dump your whole load in at one time. Dollar cost average in every single week. That's the best case scenario. And then you sell these rips. You saw what just happened last March. You know what I'm saying? So that is the points what you're looking for. That is the points of what you want to be holding heavy bags. So that's it, Alex. Member for 7 months. Shout out to my boy Alex. DCA is very important. It is absolutely very important, especially in the times that we're seeing right now, man. Things are kind of looking, not the best, not the greatest. So we have to be prepared for what's probably coming, guys. We're probably going to see 30K. And, hearing it from somebody else might prepare you. If you just wake up in the morning, you see 32,000, you're like, what the F? Okay. Well, Matt kind of told me about it. I'm not too worried about it. But look, you do run the risk that, we could bounce here. Yes, of course. But nothing's bullish about the market right now. Nothing absolutely at all. Unless we get the Bitcoin spot ETF coming in March, which is still about 2.5 weeks away. So, you run a tight little time frame. We'll see what happens with Russia. If you do see some more invasion news in the next, I would say 48 hours are pretty crucial. It could lead to some more downtrend right here, guys. So just be prepared for that. Buy, hold, and repeat. What's happening, Crypto Life investor? Good to see you in the chat, man. What's up, Ernesto, man? How are you doing tonight? Good to see you, man. We're looking at the market right now. Just a little bit in some turmoil. It is what it is, man. There's nothing we can do about it. But just hold on for the ride and enjoy it, man. I'm telling you, long-term mentality right here is the way to go. But yes, everything is down. It will be back. Don't know when. It might take a little time, and I'm kind of looking toward the Bitcoin spot ETF. So, guys, I just wanted to hop on, give you guys a quick update. Do y'all have any cryptos that you want me to go over before I end up hopping off the stream here? I wonder who is your mentors and / or learn from. Why do you wonder, man? Yeah, I know, Ernesto. I am too, man, to be quite honest with you. But long-term name is the game. And it might take us a little while to start popping back up, man. This Russia stuff, I knew it was going to cause some FUD in the market. That's exactly what it's doing, man. But look, you don't want to buy when, Doge is at 74 cents. You don't want to buy when Bitcoin's at 70,000 or 69, whatever it is. You want to buy when, dips are good, and dips are good right now, man. I feel sorry for Ukraine. The death toll on their side will be massive in an all-out war. Absolutely. Let's hope nothing bad happens. It's already starting to crank up, so I'm paying very close attention to it. This is why I told you guys over the past couple weeks that we need to pay attention to what's happening. This is the effects of it. This is what's going to happen to your portfolios. Probably a good bit more if something does break out, but I think it's going to be brief. I don't think it's going to be long term, but we could be staring at a bit of a bear market scenario, just to be honest with you. If things don't change around here sometime in the next month. So I'd rather buy dips than buy high prices. Look at the possibilities. Absolutely, Crypto Life. Putin. Hey, we'll have to see, Pearl. We'll have to see, man. I'm on it. I'm watching the whole thing play out. Every hour I'm checking for updates. So, I think it's important that you probably do the same. Don't go crazy over it, but probably check it every hour. It's probably not a bad idea. Opportunity, absolutely, Crypto Life. It's all good, S-Hall. It's up to you, man. But look, hey, man, I got my ways. Dude, I've been in the crypto game for a while. I got a pretty good idea of what's happening. It's not the first time we've been here, so we'll see what happens, man. But look, guys, dollar cost average, I'm not quite confirmed. I'm not quite sure we have confirmed bottom just quite yet. So, do your own research, do your own DD, but you know there might be a little bit more downside. Tomorrow night I will try to do a live stream, even though we have the Shiba AMA. I will try to hop on and you know, touch base, do a market recap. Hopefully we're, you know, holding support above 36.5, but we might see a breakdown tonight. It's very possible. So there you go. Everyone needs mentors, and Robert Kiyosaki would say choose mentors wisely. Absolutely, man. So guys, that's what I got for y'all tonight. I'm sorry I don't have any better news. I just wanted to hop on and let you know, guys, I'm watching everything. I haven't sold my ADA. I haven't sold my Doge. I am watching it very closely. Just remember, you got really strong support for Doge at 1250, 12, and 1155. Bitcoin, you got 36, 35, 7, and then, you know, 33 after that is pretty quickly on the way down. So I think we're gonna see at 33 to 30K. And then hopefully we'll have a dead cat bounce from that area right there. We're gonna fly, no doubt. It's just always be patient when which pays the most. Absolutely, man. Psycho Pearl, how's the Bitcoin RSI looking? Let's pull it up real quick, man. I'm gonna go with the 4-hour chart. It is looking in the dirt right here. It is at 29, man. Let's kind of check out the 1 hour. That's going to give you a tall tale sign right here. It is at 34. Let's check the 2 hour. So you did hit a RSI right here of 20 off the 2 hour. Let's check the 4 hour, the low right here, 30. 24 was the low off the 4 hour, which is low. That's when we started breaking down. That's when the Russia news immediately came out. So that's what we're looking at right here. That's what's leading to the FUD in the market. That's why I think we're going to see at 33,000 and then maybe look to consolidate. That's kind of what I'm thinking right here. Unless we see something pop and something happens, maybe Biden and Putin come up with an agreement that, you know, everything's good. That's the best case scenario for everybody, you know, in the world. So markets are, you know, human life. So we want to see something definitely come out of this. So especially for the sake of the markets and the people, you know. So OMG, I hope the ETFs get approved, but I also fear it might not help much. A rate hike, yeah, but I'm optimistic about that, OMG, and here's why. Because when the 7% and this followed by the 7.5% inflation rate came out, Bitcoin act as a hedge against inflation for, I would have to say, argue the first time I've really seen it. So I really hope that the ETF comes out and brings us, at least pops us back above 50, you know what I'm saying? But Bitcoin spot ETF will take us to some brand new all-time highs. It's going to get a lot of new investors in the game. Plus, you have to remember, Biden signed crypto regulations this week. That could be another reason. There's so much FUD in the fucking market right now that this is what's dragging everything down right here. So there is a lot of FUD in the market. Do not, you know, freak out. You know, we're going to probably downtrend a little bit right here, guys. So I just wanted to come on and prepare you for that. You know, if you're you know, worried about your investments and you want to hop out, that's totally up to you. You have to make those decisions. But what I can tell you right here from fundamental standpoints, what I'm looking at, you're probably going to see 33 to 30,000 off Bitcoin. They might drag your altcoins down to Doge 1150. After 1150, your next major level of support is back in single digits off of Dogecoin. That's 9 and then 7 cents. So that's what we're looking at for Doge, guys. That's what we're looking at in the markets right here. It sucks, but I'm going to be here regardless. So if you guys ever need somebody to talk to, someone to vent to, you know where to find me in Discord. Tonic, Crypto Life real quick. I'm going to check out some Tonic from my boy. And then I'm going to go look to prepare for that AMA I have tomorrow night with Shiba Inu. Tectonic is down 10.5%. Yeah, dude, it is getting pulverized right here. You know, you did have that little spike on the 8th when everything else was spiking too, and it's been down ever since, man. So even Tectonic, I would kind of wait and hold off to even invest in anything right now. Even dollar cost averaging, I'm waiting because I don't know where this bottom is. As soon as I feel like we're hitting bottom, I'm gonna alert everybody in Discord, just kind of tell you guys, you know, this is what I'm doing. That's all I can do. One shot GT $5, make you holla. Super sticker, my friend. Thank you for that $5, man. Also for that $20 I don't know what the hell that was. But thank you very much for that $5 super sticker, my friend. I'm down 60% on my portfolio, but it's okay. Everything will come back. Hey, man, I totally feel you, bro. I totally feel you. I'm down quite a bit, too, on a couple of my plays. But it will come back. It will come back. Buying opportunities, man. And look, we're going to sell these fucking rips from now on. I need to be, I can't give financial advice, but, we'll talk in Discord. I promise you. JP Morgan says the Fed would have to do a 9 rate hikes to close the curbing inflation. Hey, look, I was chatting with my boy Adam E over there at Bulldog Trading. He was saying, rate hikes are typically decent for the stock market, which might be decent for crypto market. We'll have to see. At least they're doing something that might give people some type of confidence. We'll have to see how it plays out. But One Shot GT, this dude's going nuts right here. You need to be saving those $5, man, and buying you some damn NIF, bro. Hey, thank you very much for that $5 make you holla super chat, my friend. Thank you very much, One Shot. My baby Harmony 1 getting demolished. Yeah, I'm sure, man. I'm sure a lot of cryptos are. Crypto Life invest in you, dropping that $4 make you holla super chat, my friend. Drinking the coffee. I'll take a sip for you. I got the coffee going, guys. I still have a lot of work to do. I gotta make sure this AMA is the best one you're ever gonna fucking watch in your life, and I'm gonna bring the heat. I'm gonna bring the excitement and get people excited about buying Shiba Inu fucking cheap. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow. So hope you guys can tune in for that. But look, much love to all of y'all. If y'all need me, you know where I'm at. Discord. If you need anything, reach out to me. I'm here for y'all. We might see a breakdown tonight. We're trading below 36.5 right now. So let me check the 1 minute chart real quick. So yes, we're getting rejected once again. Didn't even hit that 36.7 right here. 36.5. We're getting rejected. So we'll have to see. We really need to hold this 36. Actually, it's 36.450, that level I got. And we dipped below it right here, but popped back up, but we're playing with it once again. And NIF starting to trend down. Also, it would not surprise me. It would not surprise me one bit. I'm starting to see that RSI creep up. We're trying to hold support above this level of support right here, 36.450. And guys, if we cannot hold this, you're gonna see, 35.7 pretty quick. I think you're gonna see a pretty good sell-off. You're seeing computer algorithms. Look, if I'm a fucking institute, I'm shorting the crap out of everything right now. That's just what I'm doing, dude. You have the big Russia moving into another country, just all kind of fears in the market right now. Inflation, rate hikes, that's fear. That's something you have to look at. Just so many bad things happening in the market that why not short? And that's what these boys are doing. So you gotta swim with the whales. You gotta get out there and swim, man. And that's what's happening right here. So guys, thank you, Matt. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, One Shot GT, man. I really do appreciate you, brother, for helping me keep the lights on. So guys, look, tomorrow night, 222 with Shiba Inu, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Twitter. Mark your calendars. It's gonna be a big show regardless. Yes, I wish the market was doing a lot better, but be on the lookout. I'm doing hourly updates on Russia, Ukraine, trying to keep everybody updated. So look, if you need me, you know where to find me. Much love and peace, guys. I'll see each and every one of y'all tomorrow night.